Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, tomorrow is International Yoga Day, and I hope all of you are gonna take few minutes out of your busy schedules and out of your work to do some yoga, because we need this more than ever now because of this pandemic. We all are in mental stress and everything, so we need it very much. So please guys, do take out some time. So I'm dedicating this video to yoga, and I'm gonna make this beautiful galaxy painting and a mandala in between, and there's a beautiful figurine doing some meditation. So to see the process, please watch the full video. So let's get started. So guys, the first step you need to do is make a beautiful round mandala. You can use your compass to do that, or if you have any other tool like a round something, just use that and make this mandala. And in between, before drawing any patterns, you need to figure out where you want to place the figurine. So either if you're not comfortable in making the figurine yourself, you can print it out, and then you can use the cutout to do the stamping on your mandala with a black paint. So but I did draw this and I skipped it a bit so that the video won't be that long. So I'm using this fine liners to make my the planets and everything final, and then I'm gonna rub off all the pencil marks from the paper. And now what I'm doing is I'm just figuring what kind of patterns I want in my mandala. I don't want it to be very intricate, because the side portion or the rest of the portion is gonna be very intricate with all those stars and everything. So I want the mandala to be much simpler. So I'm not gonna do very intricate mandala in between. Very simple patterns, petals, and these round edges, petals. So anything, but not very intricate. So after that I'm gonna again using the fine liner and make it final, and then I'm gonna rub off all that raw sketches or the lines. So the next step is to paint your mandala. So I'm choosing very light colors here. In between I'm using this nice yellow color, and on sides reddish, and in the end I'm gonna choose some bright pink and purple color, so that it will look like a rainbowy kind of mandala. Okay, so this is like this, but don't think very much about the edges are not perfect and all, because when we are gonna paint it black, so at that time we will make sure that all the colors which are outside the mandala, so they'll be we made perfect with the black paint. So when you're painting this mandala, just make sure that it's not very uniform. You want to have that flowy bleeding kind of effect in your watercolor. So make sure you use very little bit high amount of water in your paintbrush, and then dip it into the paint, and when you'll put it on the paper, it will just flow very nicely. So now I'm using this acrylic paint to paint out the rest of the area black, because I want to give it a look of a black galaxy with lots of planets and everything when you go into meditation and yoga. So you don't think about anything, you become one with the universe. So I want to make it give it a feel of a galaxy. So I'm using this paint marker, white paint marker, to do the minor design in the black pen. This is my jelly roll pen. Whatever material I'm using, all the links are given below. Please do click on the links if you want to buy any of this product. This is very beautiful pen from Sakura, and this is a fine tip marker. I'll put a link below for this as well, but this is awesome. Whatever white pen I have used till now, this was my favorite. So now we will do all the little details in between the um, galaxies and these planets. So I'm using this dot technique here. I'm gonna do some shading with fine liner pens with lots of dotting. And you can, if to do some bigger dots, you can use like a sign pen or a sketch pen also. So now I'm taking my white permanent paint markers, and I'm putting all these nice dots and little stars here and there to make it look like a galaxy, cosmo, give it a feel of cosmo. So keep doing that and fill the whole black area with your nice dots and stars, and wherever needed you can make small mandalas here and there, and they will give it a very nice kind of meditating and raw feeling to the whole painting. Nice planet here with lots of dots and little bit of bold coloring here and there, and see how nice it looks. And you can follow the whole video and make anything related to this, and please share it with me on my Instagram account. I would love to post all your images on my stories, and I want to share it with my followers. And I love when you guys share your pics and your recreation of my art, and this makes me so happy. So please guys, keep doing this, and I would love to share it with all my followers on my story. Okay guys, do like this video if you think this one turned out to be good, and if you liked it, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please tell me any other suggestions that you have for me. If you want me to improve something, I'll do that. And if you have any other suggestion of any video that you want me to draw for the next time, please do comment below, and give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. And on this note, please guys, do some yoga tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Make it a habit. So guys, till then, bye bye.